There's one more here online. What can you do about what's your stand on BFA?
BFA.
Shipment or scrap?
Okay. First, I think the way it's being practiced now, I think has to be stopped. There's a lot of violations of the Business Forces Agreement here. And there are actual de facto violations of the Philippine Constitution, which they have tried to actually, in inclusive terms. There's some American soldiers that are getting involved in battle, not just training. There are all kinds of violations. So I think that's to be stopped. It has to be negotiated. And in connection with this, we have to ask the new government or ask the government of the United States, what is your geopolitical intent in this country? And we also have to be very clear what is our geopolitical intent in the world. If they do not too much, we will end the era that the Philippines is just a geopolitical pawn of any of the superpowers, whether it's China, which it has become under the Arroyo administration. I really have to point that out because the ZTEs, you cannot understand the ZTE deal, the South Rail, the North Rail, the investment of Chinese in mining, unless you understand that there was a geopolitical deal when Arroyo lost the support of the United States. We have to be proud of our own capacity to stand as a nation and negotiate on that basis. Because we will continue to be the laughing stock of the world if we just become the ally. You know, I was so sad, Jane was so happy that she became the kind of spokesperson for ASEAN for the United States. And that's not an achievement at all. It just shows you how subservient we are to larger powers because we cannot believe in our capacity to stand on our own set, but on our own feet. That's why for me, a prelude to foreign policy is to demonstrate that we can take care of our poverty, of our corruption, of our problems, so that when we negotiate on equal terms from one nation to another, not in a kind of instrumental fashion to make us the pawn or the instrument of larger power because we win.